Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you how to beat level 62 in IQ Dungeon. So to do this, you'll need to make the path for a wizard to the exit, but first he needs to get the key, then get the chest and defeat the skeleton at the end. So to do this, first thing we'll need to move it like this, like this. The skeleton needs to be at the end, so we need to move this thing here, and like this. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.